Okay, today we are going to discuss on formula method, how to solve the quadratic equation by formula method. Okay, let us start now. Okay, solve the quadratic equation by using formula. So we have the formula here. So write an equation in standard form. So first we have to write equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, by comparing the equation, write the value of a, b and c. So coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b and constant term is c. So we have to compare with the given equation. Okay, so write the formula. So what is the formula here? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Observe here, this denominator, this underline denominator that starts from minus sign to c. So we have to draw this underline. We have to draw this underline from B to C. So complete underline should be done. Okay. Otherwise it's wrong. So from here to here it means that it it is only for B square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So atara misunderstanding agod beda. So complete underline anna hakbeku from minus b inda hididu c varigu barbeku adu complete agi. In every step it starts from here now. Okay, right. Listening, everyone? Hello, everyone listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, okay. Ah. So this is the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So this type questions were asked every time for 2 marks. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the important one. ಸೊ 2 marks ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೀವು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್, ಟೂ ಲಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ಲೇನೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದಂತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಬೈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಲಿಂದಾನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಲಿಂದಾನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ಅದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ, you should be careful about this minus sign. You should be careful about this minus sign, because if value of b is minus means we have to write in separate bracket minus of minus b, minus of minus value. So we have to write like that. Okay, see here. So one example is given like this. Solve solve for x. So 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Here we have a is equal to 2, that is coefficient of x square 2. B is what? Minus 7, coefficient of x minus 7. And c constant, that is c is 3. So we have a formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So for this x is equal to, see here, minus. So this minus is not the minus 7. Okay, so keep minus separate and value of b separate in bracket. Okay, minus 7. So plus or minus square root of b value is minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is 3 divided by 2a. 2 into a value is 2. All of you observe this. While taking the value of b, substituting the value of b, you should be careful. Okay, so here, see here, minus of minus plus 7, minus into minus plus 7, plus or minus square root of minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24, 49 minus 24 divided by 4. Okay, so x is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 24 is 25 divided by 4. So x is equal to, see here, x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 minus root 25 is what? 5 divided by 4 or 7. Okay, plus root 25 is 5 divided by 4. So 7 minus 5 is what? 2. 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 3. See here, x is equal to 12 by 4, that is 3, or x is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Take the screenshot of this. Take the screenshot of this one also. ಹೊರಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ನೀವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು, ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಗು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗು. ಓಕೆ, so next question, solve for x 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0, which is already in the form of quadratic equation. A is 2, b is 1. So because so coefficient of x, that is b, here b value is 1. So c, so constant term, that is minus 4. Therefore we have formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X is equal to minus, here value of b is 1, so minus value of b is 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into a is what? 2. C is minus 4 divided by 2a. 2 into a is 2. A is also 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square is 1. See, 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. Minus into minus plus 32 divided by 2 2s are 4. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 32 plus 1 is 33 divided by 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 divided by 4. X is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 divided by 4, because This is plus or minus root 33. So here plus root 33, here minus root 33 we have taken separately, because we need for the quadratic equation two values, two solutions. So take this screenshot. Okay. Right. So third question. Solve for x 4x square plus root 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Root 4 root 3. So this is what? 4 root 3. This is the value 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So value of a is 4. Okay, value of b is 4 root 3. So here x coefficient is there, here the values are merged. So this is what? 4 root 3 into x plus 3. So constant term c is 3. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute the values. X is equal to minus, so b is what? 4 root 3. So keep as it is. B is 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of, so 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 4 and c value is 3. 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is 48. So plus into minus, minus into plus is minus, so minus 48. So 4 square is 16. So square root of 3, square and square root get cancelled, 3. So 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. So root 0 is 0. So minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0. Okay, divided by 4 2s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So 8 is here. So this value becomes x is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by 8 plus 4 root minus 4 root 3 divided by 8. See here, I will write the equation for this. This is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by 8. So value 4 1s are 4 2s are, that becomes what? Minus root 3 divided by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 are the values. Minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 are the values, are roots of the given quadratic equation. Have you all learnt? Means take the screenshot. Any difficulty in joining the class? So many of are saying hello, listening me?
Yes, sir. No difficult, sir.
Okay, take the screenshot. We'll move to next. Okay, solve for x 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is 1 and c is 4. So we have formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus, keep as it is, value of b is 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. So 1 minus 32 is minus 31. So this one is as it is, minus 1 plus or minus 2 2s are 4. So therefore roots does not exist, because in the root there is a minus value. It means roots does not exist. They are the imaginary roots. We have to say roots are imaginary. ಓಕೆ, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ರಿಯಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಬರಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಲೇನು ಬರಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಲೇನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, take this screenshot. See, the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Sum, they are saying that sum of the reciprocals of the Rahman's age. So Rahman's age now x years ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1/x. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ 3 years ago and 5 years from now ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 years ago ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 years ago ಅಂದಾಗ x - 3 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏಜು. 5 years ends ಅಂತಂದ್ರಾಗ x + 5 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. See here, let the present age of Rahman be x years. Okay, so Rahman age 3 years ago is x - 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಈಗ x ಇಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -3 years ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x - 3. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ರಹಮಾನ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್ 5 years ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೌ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 5 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏಜು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 5 years ನಂತರ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 years. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಹಮಾನ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್ 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ reciprocal of these two we have to find. So 1/x - 3 plus 1/x plus 3 is equal to 1/3. Here we have written. So 1/x - 3 plus 1/x plus 5 is equal to 1/3. So by simplification, by cross multiplication, we get the values. Before that, take the LCM of this. What is the LCM of the denominator? That is x - 3 into x plus 5, because both are prime numbers. So x - 3 into x plus 5, because both of them are not divisible by each other. That's why we are saying that they are prime. So their LCM is 1, HCF is 1. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, x - 3 into bracket of x plus 5 ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ in the numerator. So it doesn't have x plus 5, so x plus 5 in the numerator, plus it doesn't have x - 3, so multiply 1 to x - 3. So x plus 5 plus x - 3 divided by x - 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1/3. See here, x plus x is 2x, 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by, so this is multiplied here, x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, 3 into 5 is 15, minus into plus is minus 15 is equal to 1/3. By cross multiplication, 3 multiplied to the numerator of this, and this should be comes to the numerator of right side. Okay, see here, so this 3 is multiplied to this this term left side, so 3 into 2x plus 2, that is equal to this denominator comes to the numerator of right side. So x square plus 5x minus 3x is what? 2x. 2x minus 15. So after simplification, 3 into 2x is 6x, plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. See here, 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. See, so one side ತಗೊಂಬನ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. So x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 equal to 0. See here, plus 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. X square minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 equal to 0. So in factorization, minus 21 last term is minus 21. Then factors are one is plus and one is minus. Which is plus? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್, ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ minus 7x plus 3x. I already told you that this is plus 3x. One is plus, one is minus. So middle term is minus, means greater factor as negative sign. So minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 plus equal to 0. This is equal to 0. After that, in this x is common, x minus taken out, plus in this 3 is common, x minus 7 is taken out, equal to 0. So x minus 7 is common, taken out. What will remain in the another bracket? X plus 3. So equal to 0. So x minus 7 equal to 0, or x plus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3. You can solve with any method if they are given in the form of statement. Okay, take the screenshot from the beginning. Yes, take the screenshot of this. Okay, next. Age is always positive, that is x is equal to 7. So present age of Rahman is 7 years. Okay, we'll move to next. So second question. So ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, by completing the square method, and also by factorization method, how to solve the quadratic equation. ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದವು. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ Cephali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. So let's Cephali's marks in mathematics is x. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 30 ಇದೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 30 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಈಸ್ 30 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಡ್ ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ Cephali's gets 2 more marks in mathematics is means x plus 2. 3 marks less in English means 30 already there, minus x is also already there. So 3 marks less means minus 3. Okay, so we have to multiply both. So 30 minus 3 is what? 27 minus x. So x plus 2 into 27 minus x should be equal to 210. See, product of Cephali's marks is equal to 210. That is x plus 2 into bracket of 30 minus x minus 3 is equal to 210. That is x plus 2 into bracket of 27 minus x is equal to 210. So take the screenshot. So after multiplication, 27x plus 54 minus x minus 2x equal to 210. So further you can take the screenshot just. Okay, we'll move to next question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Find the side of the field. So we know that length into breadth is equal to area of the rectangle. Okay, so but also we can use Pythagoras theorem here. So the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If you take the shorter side as x, okay, then diagonal of a rectangle is 60 meter more than x, means x plus 60. Okay, if the longer side is, so this is the longer side, is 30 meter more than the shorter side, means if it is x means it is x plus 30. So x plus 30, x plus 60. See, let the shorter side of the rectangular field is taken as x, then the diagonal of a rectangular field is x plus 60. The longest side of the rectangular field be x plus 30. By Pythagoras theorem we can solve AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is a square. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದಾವೆ, but AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So x plus 60 whole square. So here AC is what? Here AC is x plus 60. X plus 60 whole square is equal to x square. AB square is, AB is x square plus BC is x plus 30 whole square. By simplifying this you will get the answer for it. So terms ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, x plus 60 whole square is equal to x square plus x plus 30 whole square. After simplification, go with any of the three methods to solve the problem. Okay, I will move to next. So the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of a smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Find the two numbers. The difference of squares of two numbers. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. See here, let x and y be the larger and smaller numbers. So larger and smaller means x is larger, y is smaller. So difference of squares of two numbers means x square minus y square is 180. See, x square minus y square is equal to 180, equation number 1. Square of the smaller number means y square is 8 times the larger number. 8 times the larger number andre larger number na square mado avashyakate illa, just they are saying 8 times the larger number. So y square is equal to 8x. Substitute the value of y square is equal to 8x in the equation 1. Instead of y square, substitute as 8x. Okay, so put equation 2 in equation 1. We get what? X square minus 8x equal to 180. So minus already there, we are substituting the only value of y square. Y square is what? 8x. So 8x already minus there, so minus 8x. So x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. By solving this with any of the three methods, we will get the roots of the equation. Okay, take screenshot. Okay, so see here, wait, ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವ ನೋಡೋಣ. There are so many questions to solve. We will solve those in tomorrow class. Okay, so today this much is enough. Okay, so many of are not attended the class due to I think some technical problem is there while joining the class. Okay, I will share the video to watch for today's class. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, sir.